PSI brand Type 3 post-mold graphics are designed for permanently branding plastic molded products. These graphics are best applied to parts fresh from the mold, but also weeks or months later. A great solution for stock items where poor mold access prevents use of in-mold types. Post-mold graphics are applied to the product surface using a heat and burnishing process to transfer and fuse the graphic into the surface of the product. Supplied on a clear transfer sheet, these graphics are another application-friendly product from PSI brand. The tools we recommend for application of Type 3 post-mold graphics are: first, a propane gas torch with wide flame adapter to pre and post heat the plastic surface. We use a small gas torch in this video as we are applying only a small graphic. However, we would recommend using a large torch such as this with a wide flame adapter for graphic applications larger than A4 size. We also use an infrared thermometer to ensure we have the plastic surface up to the correct temperature for application. Here is the post-mold graphic as it appears on a clear transfer sheet. Peel off and discard the white protective sheet to expose the back of the graphic. This is the side we apply to the part, and the clear transfer sheet allows us to align the graphic correctly on the part. A PSI brand air burnishing tool and burnishing pad is used to transfer and fully fuse the graphic into the plastic surface. The burnishing pad is easily inserted and removed from this customized adapter. Let us run through this application process with you. Step 1. We do not apply any additional adhesive to the graphic or product surface, as these graphics are pre-coated with a heat-activated adhesive which assists the graphic transfer onto the part. Ensure your product surface is also free from dust and mold release agents. We first start by heating the surface area of the plastic product where the graphic is to be applied. Ensure even heating using brush type strokes back and forth over the plastic surface. You will notice the plastic surface appear glossy. This is the start of the oxidization process necessary, and the temperature should be above 70 to 100 degrees Celsius or 160 to 210 Fahrenheit. Part thickness, plastic type, surface texture, graphic size and position will all influence this heating stage. Step 2. We carefully apply the graphic, taking care to position correctly with the transfer sheet, placing back of graphic against hot plastic surface. Using the edge of your burnishing pad or a soft plastic squeegee. We then squeegee over the transfer sheet and graphic. This helps remove any air bubbles, also activates the positioning adhesive on the graphic. In step 3, we place the pad into the adapter. Using the burnishing tool, we now burnish firmly over the transfer sheet and graphic until full transfer is noticeable. In step 4, we remove the transfer sheet, peeling away carefully to check at this point that the graphic is correctly placed. If you notice an air bubble, lance this and expel the air before the next step. In step 5, final embedding of the graphic is achieved by again evenly applying heat or flame as in step 1 over the graphic and surrounding plastic to complete the application process. A higher temperature will ensure more permanent results. This post-mold graphic is now permanently molded onto the plastic part, which will stand up to almost anything you can throw it at. These graphics feature extreme resistance to harmful UV rays, harsh outdoor environments, and exposure to chemicals, surface abrasion, and many other demanding end-user applications. Please allow 12 to 24 hours from application for the plastic and graphic to cure before performing resistance tests such as scratching, crosshatch, or pressure washing. Thank you again for choosing PSI brand. Please check out our troubleshooting guides and contact us if you have any questions.